I'll be showing how a presenter can permanently mute people in a Microsoft Teams meeting. To get started, I'll join a meeting in Teams. Join the meeting. Hey class, how's it going? Hey, we're going to be showing the solar system presentation on PowerPoint, and so I'm going to share my screen in just a minute here. Now, before we get started, I'd like it to be quiet while we're talking. Oh, thank you, Adam. We're going to mute everyone during the presentation. I'll click mute all. So I've muted everyone. Now I'm going to share my presentation.
Hold on, wait. I have a good idea. We're going to talk about astronomy. Let's also talk about...
Thank you for sharing, Adam. Mr. Short Shorts and Ann. I'm going to show a new feature now, which is going to not allow anyone to unmute. So I'm going to choose this option right here. So no attendees can unmute. And now it's nice and quiet. So Ann and Adam can focus on the presentation about the solar system. Now I will share my content. Now my PowerPoint deck is shared, and you can see on the right-hand side, all of these microphones are disabled. We've disallowed attendees to unmute. That means even Mr. Short Shorts having fun as he's roller skating cannot unmute in the middle of my presentation. The other thing I can do is I can promote someone to be a presenter. So if I want to have somebody unmute themselves and present, like I'm about to here, I want to have Tessa come. So I'm choosing Tessa right here. I'll click the ... and I'll choose make a presenter. That's going to mean that she can now unmute herself. So this will affect who can share content, who can mute and unmute. I'll hit change. Now you can see Tessa is up top. Tessa, would you like to unmute and share your nice little cat there?
Yeah, I would love to. This is Bears. He's very friendly.
Oh, he looks very sweet. Now, the other thing to remember is that let's say you want to join the meeting and have all of the attendees muted by default. Maybe it's a webinar and you don't want to have anyone unmute in the middle. You can set that before it even starts. So if I go to the ... menu and I choose manage permissions, this is going to take me to meeting options. And there's a new meeting option where this can be set. Here I am in meeting options, and you can see there's a setting, allow attendees to unmute. So by default, it's at yes. But let's say I'm going into a webinar or I'm going into a bigger meeting or a class, I could change this to no. That means anyone who joins in cannot unmute by default if they're an attendee. They can only unmute if they're a presenter. So I'll stop presenting and I'm going to unmute everyone now. So to do that, I go to the ... menu right here and I choose allow attendees to unmute. You get a confirmation. Now Adam and Ann, you can freely unmute.
I'm so glad you unmuted me. I have a cat joke for everybody.
If you found this video useful, give it a like. Now, if you want to keep up with all the latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get notified for all the new videos that post.